Malik, Malik, Malik.
I said I'm going inside.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hi guys.
How are you? Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog guys. Welcome to our vlog guys. Ngayon, it's the first day of class for Malik guys. Kaya ayan, naka-PE uniform siya kasi
That will
Tuesday.
change, Foggy.
Kasi dito guys, yung
They will change rainy. They will change.
kumbaga sports
Okay, I'm okay.
uniform nila is every
There will come
Tuesday. Kaya
snow.
ayan.
Then why are you going this
Nandito
way?
kami para
Are you
unang
cheating?
araw ng klase
Why
ni
we
Malik.
go
Kaya
this
pupunta
side?
kami ngayon sa
We
school
balik?
niya. Ayan siya. Ayan sa bumalik. Si
Hi guys. How are you? Good morning.
Yo, Malik. Malik, natin ang mood. You don't like to go school?
I like to go school.
Oh, then why you did not say good morning with them?
Good morning.
Yeah, you should say good morning. Hello, guys. You should be happy when you are talking, not like that. I think you don't. I think you are not happy. In the school, you should behave there, huh?
I told them you see your class teacher now. You know new friends also. Teacher will ask your name, Malik, your age, okay?
What is your name? How old are you? How old are you? Your age? How much?
4
How old are
years.
you? Ewan ko sa'yo, Malik.
See,
Ewan
I
ko
said
ano
student
yung
did Susan.
experience nila. Expression ni Malik.
Mama, you saw the
Kaya yan.
student?
Student.
Mama, you saw
Ngayon,
the
medyo
student.
medyo maaga pa kasi hindi traffic dito, guys. Pero I'm sure pag open na talaga yung klase
Ma,
dito.
did you saw the
is,
student?
Yeah, خلاص نعمل.
Mama,
Ah,
did you saw the student?
yes.
You see what are they doing? What are they doing?
Walking.
They are walking, man. They go school.
To go
Like me,
school.
like you.
Like me.
Ay, hala. His name.
You forgot it?
There
Where you put?
in the cupboard.
Tomorrow, about what we will do today now.
He should.
How we can bring now?
You will drop me there and go back.
Why you not put outside, Aisha?
Because I said I make it what this one.
This one I don't like.
This the one we don't like because we are in hurry.
I told you get me up early. You get me 6 o'clock and 15 now.
Ngayon See, I feel that there's something left. That's why I go back again there in this one. No, just drop me and then you still early, no? We still have 15 minutes.
They got us to go
Seven.
left.
Yeah, but just
We wait you there. Nakalimutan namin yung name tag ni Malik, guys. So, that's the most important. We did not forget something. I hung there so that we can sew it when I open the cabinet. We take the clothes, but I didn't, wala. No, it's okay. We can go inside and you take it the clothes. This one. I prepare his clothes already.
I'm happy. Saka lagi ito.
Ayun guys. Wala nang mood si... Kasi naiwanan namin yung name tag ni Malik.
Why did you stop? Daddy?
Return naman.
What?
They get up late. Hari. See the name tag. I did not remember just now. Ayan guys. Dito si Malik. Ayan ang uniform niya. Just stand up, be. Show me your clothes, be. Ay, manol si Malik.
I said I'm sleeping.
See you in the school, guys. Ayan si Malik, guys. Wow, you're excited? Huh?
Where's the balloon?
But now all is
I leave you here and drink this card, huh?
What did that do? Why did you throw the balloon?
this is the principal for them, no? Hi, Malik. You like Malik?
But why is the balloon there?
Morning. Good morning. Hi, good morning. We should say good morning, Malik.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Why the balloon? Why?
Ay, si Malik na. Naguyod na siya ng ano niya. Guyod na kayong bag niya. Wala go. Ay, what's wrong? That one.
What?
Yala, go na. It's hot.
That?
Here.
احمر واخضر وازرق
It's inside the bag.
Okay. I think you will look at it, huh?
We'll see if there's a...
Hi, Malik.
Stay there. You won't come with me?
Yalla, go.
That's a great.
Mama, they are running.
Okay, then, oh, take care for your bag you pull down.
Take care. Yeah. Malik.
I said I'm going inside.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Ayan na yung school naman. Here, go inside. Here. Malik. Ay! Ayan guys, dito na kami sa sasakyan na bumalik kaya.
Hi, good morning.
Hinatid na namin si Malik. Akala ko pwede ako magstay doon kaya nag-leave talaga ako ng dalawang araw guys. Yun pala hindi, atid lang doon tapos iwanan na siya. Kaya by the way, okay na yun. Makapagpahinga din ako pero ngayon hindi rin kasi sama-sama muna ako kay Abu Malik kung saan siya pupunta, doon din ako.
What?
I said that where you go, then I'll go with you also.
Oh, yeah.
It's like
Yeah,
your
sure.
bodyguard.
Sure, yeah. No, I am your bodyguard. Okay. Salman Khan hada? Salman Khan movie?
I'm the bodyguard.
No, me, not you.
I follow with you. Where you go,
Yeah.
then I'm there.
Salman Khan and Kareena Kapoor have a nice film movie, Bodyguard. You saw it before?
No, I don't know.
It's very nice.
Natutuwa talaga ako kanina kay Malik guys kasi nga daw si Correct. Kala mo kung sino. Ngayon nag-stop ako ng lakad. Papasok na kami. Sabi. Excited na siya. Tapos pagpasok, ayun na. Wala. Yung ibang bata may umiiyak doon. Tapos kasi bawal mag-take ng picture doon sa loob or video. Kaya, ayan. Pero nakapicture din tayo kay Malik. Si Malik lang kasi bawal naman yun talaga sa mga bata, lalo na dito. Kaya, ayan. Napaka-excited niya. Tapos, nung paalis na kami, si Malik, sumunod sa amin, tsaka nagbulong-bulong kay daddy niya. Tinanong ko si daddy niya kung anong bulong ni Malik. Sabi niya, sabi niya he saw ABC daw doon sa loob. Tapos pagpasok na doon talaga, talagang binuksan niya yung lunchbox niya. Yung lunch bag niya.
You put his water صح?
Beside his bag.
Oh, okay.
He have with tissue. I put with tissue there. I put Kleenex, that small tissue, no?
Oh, okay, good.
Packet.
Because
I
he
put there
request also in...
Then there's a set of clothes also there. I put there together with this jacket there inside.
they request also son.
So I put there.
They help them if anyone want to go bathroom for kids.
There's a maid.
Oh,
They
yeah.
said. Pero, but the lunch box, the one we buy it, I did not put that one. I did not use.
Why?
We have the small box because that one it's big. Because before we take, because there's a divider for
Okay.
ketchup now, but ketchup it's not allowed
Yeah, I
because
read also.
maybe it's come dirty.
They
for
will give
food.
20 minutes for snack time to eat.
Kaya ayun guys.
But when he go back, give him food again, Aisha.
Yeah, of course. Nag-inom naman siya din ng milk kaninang umaga. Nung ginising siya, talaga excited siya. Tapos yung expression niya pa, what is it? Like this? What is doing? May expression si Malik kaya yun guys. Tingnan natin mamaya kung anong
But
pagsulat.
wallahi, you know, when I go now, he come out from the school, from the class. He can take my head down. He say, I see you later. I see, okay. You know, he will stay there.
So, kaya talagang maano siya doon, ma-enjoy din si Malik doon. Kasi daming bata. Lalo na pag yung teacher na malambing. Kasi yung iniiwanan namin guys na Pakistani, malambing yun kay Malik. Kaya gustong gusto din ni Malik. Kanina pagising niya, sabi niya, Ami, kasi Ami, kumbaga mama yun guys sa language siguro ng mga Pakistan. Ami ang tawag niya doon sa nagbabantay sa kanya, Ami. So sabi niya kanina, Ami will feel boring because it's not there. Sabi niya ganon. Ami will boring because I'm not there. They cannot so eat me there. I'm not there. Kaya ayun. Sana mag ano din si Malik. Tapos ayun, parati man yan ayaw niya din yan makipag-away kasi parati din namin sinasabihan no fightings, mga ganyan, no fightings, no taking if it's not for him, like this. Kaya ayun, sana matuto din si Malik. Tapos if he make susoy mag-ihi, urine. Sabi ko, magsabi ka lang kay teacher mo. Ayun. Kaya, parang mabait naman yung teacher niya, kaya, ayun. Magustuhan din niya ni Malik. Tapos sa pagsusulat naman, wala ka talagang masabi kay Malik kasi marunong na siya kahit na yung pangalan niya. Pero ang ano lang kay Malik, pag magsulat yan siya, ewan ko lang kung doon sa school, pag magsulat yan siya, ABCD, magsulat siya ng name niya, paisa-isa tapos magtanong siya.
What happened?
Maybe something happened because there's I think
I see damage for someone, sir?
No, only one. Maybe something happened while he's driving.
Oh, okay.
He did not bump or anything there.
Oh, okay. For the ambulance, yani?
Oh, there's ambulance there. Maybe he got attacked or what. See? May nadaanan kasi kaming sasakyan, may police, may ambulance, tapos isang car lang. Ngayon nakita ko, nakabukas yung pinto ng side ng driver. Kaya sigurado may nangyari doon sa driver na yon. Ayun. Tapos, sa pagsusulat naman sa pangalan ni Malik, wala ka talagang, alam niya, sabihin mo lang anong letters, pero kasi every ano niya, magtatanong siya, this is okay? It's okay? Like this. Kaya ayun. Tapos, pag sa number naman, ayun, marunong naman siya 1 to 10. Kaya madali na lang yung kay Malik. Kasi si Malik late na siya, guys. Kumbaga first, ngayon lang siya nag-start. Dapat nung, what the start for the class? June?
Which is
No, now second semester, right?
second semester for
For the first semester, when is the
April.
start? April.
April, yeah.
April daw. Dapat nung April pa siya. Pero kasi alanganin kasi si Malik for na pala.
This semester English school, Arabic 2 semester.
Kaya ayun, sana makita mo talaga si Malik na yun lang sana talaga mag-ano siya, matuto ba? Kasi madali lang ni Malik, hindi niya makakalimutan agad-agad, madali lang. Kaya yan guys. Tingnan natin mamaya kasi susunduin na rin namin siya mamaya. Kaya ayan guys, see you in the afternoon.